Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
US field production of crude oil rose to a new monthly record in August at 13.05 million barrels per day, the Energy Information Administration said, while output rose 0.7% in August from the month before. The British pound was strengthening against a weaker dollar, but still on track for its third straight monthly drop, as traders looked ahead to the Bank of England's policy announcement later in the week. Tether reported $3.2 billion of excess reserves backing the value of its stablecoins, including USDT, according to its Q3 attestation. The attestation disclosed $86.4 billion of assets in reserve as of September the 30th, against $83.2 billion in liabilities.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Fed interest rate decision will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The US ADP employment change at 12:15 GMT. The Dutch market manufacturing PMI at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 2350 GMT. The US ISM manufacturing PMI at 1400 hours GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.